In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Monopoly Go error iOS or iPhone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are getting errors when trying to play Monopoly Go on an iOS device, or more specifically an iPhone, there are various reasons on why this might be happening, and in this video, I'm gonna cover some of the possible fixes that are going to help you solve this issue. So try opening up the game, and if you see any error message similar to this one, the best course of action is first check to see if the servers for Monopoly Go are working. Sometimes, if the servers are undergoing maintenance or if they are down, unfortunately, there is nothing that you can do on your end. So before you attempt any of the methods that I'm going to comment on this video, go into Google and search for the Monopoly Go servers. See if there are any news about the servers undergoing maintenance or if the servers are down, because like I said, if the servers for Monopoly Go are down, no one is going to be able to play until they are back up. So if you are aware that the servers should be working, maybe you have a friend who is playing at the moment and they tell you that everything should be working, but you cannot log in because of the errors, the second best method that I suggest is restarting your phone. It is basic, but by restarting your phone and opening up the app again, you are going to help your iOS device alleviate some memory, and maybe that was the problem when trying to load it up. With more memory available, all the apps refreshed, you might have a better chance of actually entering Monopoly Go this time. If it still doesn't work, the last method that I want to present that might work for most people is to completely uninstall the app and reinstall it back again. You will not lose any progress. Your progress is tied to either your Facebook or Apple ID, and as long as you uninstall the app completely, re-download it from the Play Store, and you sign in using Facebook or Apple ID, all of your progress will be resumed. So if none of the two methods that I mentioned earlier worked, if you know that the servers are up and restarting your phone did not help, try reinstalling Monopoly Go completely. Your progress will be the same, and by reinstalling the app, you can fix any corrupted files or updates that are necessary for the game to run properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Monopoly Go error iOS or iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.